Hi guys, in this video we are going to see about multimedia data mining. Multimedia data mining is the discovery of interesting patterns from multimedia databases that store and manage large collections of multimedia objects including image data, video data, audio data as well as sequence data and hypertext data containing text markups and linkages. Multimedia data mining is an interdisciplinary field that integrates images processing and understanding, computer vision, data mining, and pattern recognition. Uses in multimedia data mining include content-based retrieval and the similarity search and generalization and multidimensional analysis. Multimedia data cubes contain additional dimensions and measures for multimedia information. Multimedia data mining involves processing of data from a variety of sources, principally text, images, sound, and video. Much effort has been devoted to the problems of indexing and retrieving data from such sources, since typically they are voluminous. A major activity in extracting knowledge from time indexed multimedia data, for example, sound and video, is the identification of episodes that represent particular types of activity. This may be identified in advance by the domain expert. Likewise, knowledge in the form of metadata may be used to identify and extract relevant knowledge. Since multimedia contains data of different types, for example, images along with sound, ways of combining such data must be developed. Such problems of data mining from multimedia data are, generally speaking, very difficult, and although some progress has been made, the area is still in its infancy. By processing, we refer to multimedia data enhancement and manipulation to improve or transform the representation of multimedia in different applications, such as immersive audio and multimedia compression and content analysis. Processing is essential to both compression and retrieval of multimedia. Different methods of multimedia data mining: classification, association rule, clustering, and statistical modeling. Here we go to one by one. Classification. Classification is a data mining function that assigns items in a collection to target categories or classes. The goal of classification is to accurately predict the target class for each case in the data. For example, a classification model could be used to identify loan applicants as low, medium, or high credit risk. Association rule. Association rule mining at a basic level involves the use of machine learning models to analyze data for patterns or co-occurrences in a database. It identifies frequent if-then associations which themselves are the association rules. Clustering. Cluster analysis in data mining means that to find out the group of objects which are similar to each other in the group but are different from the object in other groups. In the process of clustering in data analytics, the sets of data are divided into groups or classes based on the data similarity. Statistical modeling. Statistical modeling refers to the data science process of applying statistical analysis to data sets. A statistical model is a mathematical relationship between one or more random variables and other non-random variables. Socially important. Multimedia data mining refers to the analysis of large amounts of multimedia information in order to find patterns or statistical relationships. Once data is collected, computer programs are used to analyze it and look for meaningful connections. This information is often used by governments to improve social systems. Examples of multimedia data mining. The multimedia data include one or more primary media data types such as text, images, graphic objects, including drawings, sketches, and illustrations, animation sequence, audio, and video. Applications of multimedia data mining. voicemail, electronic mail, multimedia based fax, office needs, employee training, sales, and other types of group presentation, record management. These are some applications of multimedia data mining. Thank you.